So me and the wife were heading out to lunch, and we left the girls at home, and we ran across a super awesome yard sale. What are those?
Shoes.
Flip-flop shoes? Oh, they're just shoes. Thanks, Laura. Bang zoom to the moon, Alice. That's been my thing lately. Alright, we got cool stuff. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Want to find out what the message is? I'm kind of curious. What's the message?
I can't open that.
I know you can't. It's not supposed to. Alright. Any treasures? Looking for something cool. Old school. Is that a typewriter or is that a printer?
It's a typewriter.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Alright. It's unique.
I'm covered in glitter.
Yeah. Oh, Harry Potter book.
I already have it.
I already have it. Which is a... I can't believe we stumbled across a yard sale.
How it goes.
Yep.
That's how it goes.
This is actually kind of cool. Look at that. It's kind of a cute tea set, actually.
No more tea sets.
Look, they always sell, though.
No, we have plenty of tea stuff.
Alright. No more tea sets.
Not right now.
I love tea sets. Alright. We'll go the middle row. Hello.
Hi. You gonna take our picture? I saw the light.
Yeah.
YouTube famous.
Huh?
One day. I gotta have a dream.
Oh, that's right. Everybody has to have a dream.
Alright. Oh, these are cool. Anything here? Seen anything jumping out at you, Laura?
No. No, I don't.
This is cool. There's got to be at least one thing here.
We're just being a little picky because we don't have...
We have so much stuff.
right now.
Too much. What is this?
It's a stand of some kind.
Samsung. Yeah. Jewelry is always a gold mine. I don't know if I dig into it.
Not at all.
We were on the same page for once.
Well, the girls just bought those other boxes and we had to dig through all of those.
Yeah.
We don't need to do it again.
Okay, this is cool looking. Made in Hong Kong. It's an old Santa train. What do you think, Laura?
Yeah.
It says 50 cents.
Okay. It's up to you.
It can't be priced right. Yes, it is. Wheel of Fortune. It didn't.
You want to know something funny? When I was looking at yard sales, this was on the list of ones to go to.
Oh, was it? So you messed up. The correction game. Oh, that kind of. This is a long shot. Looks cool though. Let me get it. What'd you find?
I found a nativity scene.
Nativity scenes are cool. Hey, Laura, did you see these? You used to, I remember once I came across some stamps. Remember that? Let me know. Yeah, nativity scene. There goes another candy dish. I will always buy the candy dishes. Oops.
Easy, girl.
Want to help me out?
What are you trying to do?
Because it's awkward when I, yeah, there we go. This, yeah, there we go. Because when I'm holding the phone, kind of.
Gotcha.
All right. And I can't, like, put the phone down.
If only you had some kind of camera to bring up to you.
Sitting in the house, sitting in the house.
Oh, you didn't see that?
Hey, look at this.
I saw it.
No thumbs up. Yeah, those plates I brought last year still.
But then I gotta think if he wants to help, that's good too.
Some Play-Doh.
Ah, it tastes funny. What is this? It's not Disney World, is it? No. No. I was almost thinking like Fantasia thing going on there.
Yeah, as good as I did.
Put the ribbon on there if you want.
Hey, did you see these? These are cool. Laura. Old Japan balls. 25 cents. No. You're just going on overload mentality, right? Have you ever wanted to own a Utz? You know, you probably buy this would be the first thing. The Utz jacket. I feel like I should read one of these Danielle Steele books because they have been in every. I mean, they must be amazing because there's so many of them written. Smith Corona. You know, if I didn't have so much of the big stuff right now, this would be a great buy. I kind of think we should get that. But I can't.
They were 50 cents in a dish. Just said 50 cents, I guess that's what it is.
Oh, Kit Kats. And that's the old touch lamps. They were real popular at one point and then kind of fell off.
Yeah, my grandparents had them.
Mm-hmm.
My grandparents had some.
All right, was there anything that caught your eye real quick glance? Fast speed walk, run through it. I'm gonna point to some stuff. I'm gonna say, are you sure?
That's just gonna be too big.
Too big? Yeah, hard to ship, too big. But these, oh, I didn't look at this. I meant to look at this. 1977 game walls. What do you think? Nah.
Nah.
I might trump you on that one. All these patches. They were Boy Scout patches. I'd be all over them. Did you get the stamped ones?
No.
Somebody snatched them up that fast. Good job, Laura. How do you feel right now? Just that fast, somebody snatched them up. Oh well. Are you sure they're not in that box?
No.
Okay. I'm mad now. So you're sorry. What about this?
No.
Okay.
I know with your brother at home, they peel them off of even, you know, the residents do. And I think they.
You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. This was probably phenomenal earlier today or yesterday. You know what I mean? The President's Club. I was looking at this earlier. That kid looks, it's definitely older. Not worth it, of course. Ambassador coasters. www.
Well, you ready?
Hey, I come up past the mirror. The light hit it just right. Blinded me pretty good. Alright. I think it's official, or I think I'm just officially a hoarder. I'm just gonna embrace it. And yeah. So I think it's time we talk about you moving out to the garage or a tent. I kind of really like this, but sure, nah. Man, that mirror's bright. Alright guys, that was absolutely awesome. That was like an improv yard sale. Didn't get a ton of stuff, but the stuff we grabbed was pretty cool. So we did make a mistake though, those stamps, I blame her. I should have picked them up. She said no, so anyway. Alright guys, so I'm out. Remember, subscribe, please like the videos. It helps me out a lot. Alright, forget YouTube, you're helping me. Alright guys.